In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view effort management in Monday.com. First, open your Monday.com account and head to the home area. This brings you to the main hub where you can access everything you work on. Give the page a moment to load so your navigation and boards appear correctly. Next, look to the left-hand side and choose Workspaces. Workspaces help keep things organized, so pick the one that contains the projects you want to review. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the Workspaces section clearly. Now, click on the board you want to manage. This is the board where your tasks or items live. Make sure you're on the correct board for the team or project you're tracking, since the effort values you'll add in a moment will roll up within this specific board. At the top of the board, find the plus sign. Click that plus sign to add a new column. This is how we'll introduce an effort field to your board so you can track workload or complexity directly alongside your tasks. When the column options open, type effort into the search or filter field. This narrows the list and helps you find the correct column type quickly. Typing is often faster than scrolling, especially if you have a lot of column options available. From the results, click on effort. Monday.com will add an effort column to your board instantly. You'll see a new column appear ready to capture values for each item. Now, click on a row within that effort column and type in the number that reflects the effort for that item. Use a consistent unit across your team, like hours or story points, so the totals are meaningful. You can move down the column row by row, entering values for each task. If you make a mistake, simply click again and update the number. Changes save automatically. At the bottom of the effort column, you'll notice there is also a sum. This sum automatically adds up all the values in the column, giving you a quick snapshot of total effort across the board or within a filtered view. It's especially useful for capacity planning and keeping an eye on scope. If you filter your board by assignee, status, or time frame, the sum will adjust to reflect only the visible items, which makes it great for focused reviews. That's it. You've opened your workspace, navigated to the right board, added the effort column, entered values, and confirmed the total with the sum. Use this setup to plan smarter, balance workloads, and keep your team aligned on what's ahead.